So if you want to like face towards the back like that.
Gemma! Good girl, Gemma! Gemma's a good girl.
Basically, you unbox this thing. You put this thing in here. It just holds in these little frames around it. The wire goes through here. There's a cap you put on, a little slot. I assume you don't fill it above this. Then you put this thing on, and that goes through that, basically, like so. Then you center it. Then you put this thing on through that receptacle. It kind of locates it's in. Oh, sorry. First you put the filter on right here. So you put the filter on. Now this is really nice because cat's mouthwater makes kind of this gooey stuff. So this is really nice design. This filter and two more additional filters came with it. Then you put this thing on, and then you have the choice of these two fountains. You put one of them on, and voila, you have yourself. And what's nice is since this is not line powered, it is low powered, so it's not going to ever zap anybody. In case there's a short or something, God forbid, it's not going to zap anybody. Very nice design.
I absolutely love this water fountain, and so does my cats. I definitely do recommend cleaning this pretty often because hair does connect to it, but you get two different tops for that. It does come with 3 filters to use. I like that you can see the water level, and the different tops definitely are cool because you get to see which flow of water works best for your cat or small dog or any animal that uses this.